It's learning time with Bobpop. Hello, Bobpop. Let's learn some shapes. Do you know what shape this is?
Circle.
It's a circle. And a circle goes all the way around. Let's try drawing a circle. We start at the top and we go all the way around. Then we meet back at the top. Let's look at some more circles.
Circle, 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 circle.
Yippee! You've learned a new shape, circle. Do you know what shape this is?
Triangle.
It's a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's try drawing a triangle. One, 2, 3. 3 sides. Let's look at some more triangles.
Triangle, 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 triangle.
Well done! You've learned a new shape, triangle. Do you know what shape this is? Square. It's a square. A square has 4 equal sides. Let's try drawing a square. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Let's look at some more squares. Square, 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 square. Yippee! You've learned a new shape, square. Do you know what shape this is?
Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. Let's try drawing a rectangle. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Let's look at some more rectangles.
Rectangle, 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 rectangle.
Yippee! You've learned a new shape, rectangle. Do you know what shape this is?
Diamond.
It's a diamond. A diamond has 4 sides. Let's try drawing a diamond. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Let's look at some more diamonds.
Diamond, 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 diamond.
Yippee! You've learned a new shape, diamond. Do you know what shape this is?
Pentagon.
It's a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let's try drawing a pentagon. One, two, three, four, five sides. Let's look at some more pentagons.
Pentagon, 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 Pentagon.
Well done! You've learned a new shape, pentagon. Do you know what shape this is?
Hexagon.
It's a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Let's try drawing a hexagon. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 sides. Let's look at some more hexagons.
Hexagon, 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 Hexagon.
You've learned a new shape, hexagon. Do you know what shape this is?
Heptagon.
Heptagon. A heptagon has 7 sides. Let's try drawing a heptagon. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. 7 sides. Let's look at some more heptagons.
Heptagon, 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 Heptagon.
You've learned a new shape, heptagon. Do you know what shape this is?
Octagon.
Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Let's try drawing an octagon. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. 8 sides. Let's look at some more octagons.
Octagon, 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 Octagon.
You've learned a new shape, octagon. Do you know what shape this is?
Nonagon.
Nonagon. A nonagon has 9 sides. Let's try drawing a nonagon. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. 9 sides. Let's look at some more nonagons.
Nonagon, 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 Nonagon.
You've learned a new shape, nonagon. Do you know what shape this is?
Star.
It's a star. A star has 10 sides. Let's try drawing a star. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 10 sides. Let's look at some more stars. You've learned a new shape. Star. Keep practicing your shapes to make sure you know them all. Well done, everybody. High five. I hope you had a Bobpop in time.